Hello! In this video I will show you how to set up parental controls on OnePlus 13. So you have to start by opening your settings application, and then you have to go to Google and then go to all services, and now you have to find parental controls. Then click let's do this and click sign in. Now select Google, and here you have to enter your child email address. Then click next, and now you have to enter your password and click I agree. Then click accept and click on supervise. Then click next, and here you have to enter your parent email address. Then click next, and now you have to enter your parent password. And now I have to scroll down, and here you have to enter your child password again, and then click next and click allow. Now click next again and click done. And as you can see, my parental controls is now set up. So that's it for this video. If you liked it, please remember to leave like and subscribe.